Welcome to Hua Hin. It's the most underrated town I've been to in Thailand, where you have the combination of mountains and beaches. It's pretty much a combination of Chiang Mai and Koh Samui. We've been here the last 4 days, and for each of us, we only had to pay around like $300, and we're able to have this New Mexico style villa. We have a lot of plot of land, 2 pools, 4 bedrooms, and I'll give you guys a quick tour. So let's go ahead and dive straight in. This is where we spent pretty much most of the time just playing pool, to be absolutely honest. We just take sales calls and then play pool, go to the gym, go to the beach. And I mean, that's pretty much all you can do in Hua Hin, to be absolutely honest. I mean, there's not like any strip clubs, prostitutes, or anything like that. It's a more chill kind of place for people who are retired to just come here, get a nice young Thai girl, and then just spend all of their retirement. And then over here, we have the living room. We've played chess a few times, got a few dubs, and I've been taking my sales calls right out there, actually. With that table, you can see that little seat, not as comfortable as you'd want it to be, but it gets the job done with a nice little backdrop with the pool. Nice, good selling point on the call, a little bit of marketing and sales combined. And then here, this is where like the editing, the back end work, all that type of stuff, we take care of that right here. Hang out with the boys, talk business, have a little bit of fun chatting. Not too shabby. You guys, the best part about staying at places like this is that you're able to elevate to a higher frequency, having nicer things than like normally. Because like in my apartment in Bangkok, it's pretty nice, but it's not, not this nice with the nice land, nice amenities and stuff like that. And I want to give you guys a quick story. I mean, I was like 2 days ago, we were at a shop, and I was talking to this Thai guy, and his name is DJ Bomber. And became pretty quick friend with him very quickly. Told him I did Muay Thai. Told him about my little injury I had the other day. And he was like, oh, Muay Thai, cool. And then he got up in his chair, stood in his chair. From the top shelf, he grabbed these very new, very high quality gloves and just gave them to me. So that was a very, very legendary experience. When I do get into my first boxing match, if I'm able to, I'll be wearing these gloves. But now we'll go over here into the kitchen, which is where we don't really cook at all. Maybe the first day, second day we've cooked some eggs, but other than that, we just order all of our food, so we don't have like any food set around. But we do max out on the coffee, the creatine, all that good stuff over here. And then the stovetop is right there. All right, guys, now we're gonna head upstairs to where all the bedrooms are located, as well as 2 very interesting things that I'll show you guys that is quite interesting, to be absolutely honest. So let's go. So right here, this is what I like to call the thinking chair, where you just stare at the wall and the ideas just come to you from the ether of the universe, just while staring at the wall. Maybe even the painting as well. Organize some thoughts on the painting. But yeah, I mean, it kind of looks like an electric chair a little bit, but I like to think of it as the thinking chair. And then right here, we filmed a few podcasts. Lyndon, Nathan, Marcus, we got some good content in, as well as right here. We have the thinking bed. So just lay down right here, stare at the ceiling, and then the thoughts just come down to you from the ceiling. You can just chill, relax, look at the trees, the beautiful nature, the birds, geckos, and all of the above. And then in here, all the bedrooms are located in the corners of this Minecraft house. We have Eric right here, getting ready, looking sharp. What's up, Eric? What do you do, bro?
What do I do? I help people go famous, go viral.
Fair enough, bro. Fair enough. Yeah, so this is one of the first bedrooms. All the bedrooms are like the same quality pretty much. The only difference is these 2 on the right side, they have bathtubs, which I did the other day. Haven't had a bath in like 2 years. So, why not take advantage of the bathtub in the bedroom? It's pretty cool. Got some rocks underneath. It was kind of overflowing a bit when I hopped in. And then the bathroom. Not too much. It's a bit messy, so we'll skip out on that. The cleaners haven't been here quite yet. But that's another thing with this villa. Every morning we have cleaners coming in, making the beds, making the whole place tidy, because, to be honest, guys, I'm a pretty messy guy. I'll just lay things around everywhere, but it's always nice to have someone pick them up. But yeah, I mean, guys, that's pretty much it for the upstairs. I'll just kind of give you guys a tour of like where I'm actually taking these sales calls, how much I close, all that type of stuff down here outside. All right, guys, and right here, I know it's not luxurious, it's just a table. and then a little stool. But this is where I take all of my sales calls. Closed about 1.8K these last 4 days. Cash collected, so I mean that's not too shabby. It's able to kind of pay for everything. I think we pay like $300 each for this villa, so I mean kind of just pays for itself. When you're staying at a high frequency place, the deals just kind of come to you. And at this table as well, I'm taking my coaching calls for Living Unchained, where I'm able to have like the 2 calls a week right here, helping my students get to at least $10,000 a month anywhere in the world by helping them kind of find their first gold mine offer. Because a lot of people, they're trying to get into remote sales, but they're landing shitty offers that don't provide them any hot leads or consistent income. So I'm just kind of helping them fast track through the A to Z process to their first $10,000 a month so they can start living like this, being able to go to villas, go to Thailand, Dubai, the Philippines, Bali, and start living life on their terms. So if that's something that you might be interested in, the link is down below to book a call with me, just to have a quick chat to see if I can help. But guys, that's pretty much it for the entire video today, the Villa Tour. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.